welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna be doing my hair as the title says. You guys can see my hair is looking a bit, I don't know, all over the place. I already washed it and I blow dried it, so I'm ready. My hairstylist is on her way coming to my house, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing locks for the first time, so fingers crossed. I hope it's gonna be super cute. She's actually really good at her locks. She lives in Chicago and she came to do some clients' hair, and I decided to tell her to kind of squeeze me in. And also she's my neighbor's sister-in-law, so that made it a little bit easier. Okay, so yeah, I'm so excited. And tomorrow is, no, not tomorrow, Monday is my birthday, the 19th, so we're gonna have to get ready and get cute before then. And my girls are taking me out on Saturday, so I'm probably not gonna do anything on Monday. My girls are taking me out on Saturday, and I'm so excited for that. Yay! So yeah, guys, that's why my hair is looking like this. My hair actually grew a lot over the past 2 years. I did cut it a few years ago, so it's doing really good as far as I'm concerned. I blow dried it, and my hair does shrink a lot, so when I blow dried it, it gets really long, as you guys can see. And my ends are looking crazy. I really don't trim, but I think I should start doing that as well because it helps. So yeah, guys, yeah, I'm just here waiting for my hairstylist, and I'll see you guys when she gets here. Okay. Alright, guys, whilst we're waiting for her, let me show you guys the stuffs that I'm getting from my garden and my backyard. Okay, so I believe I showed you guys my garden before. Here it is. I've been getting a lot of stuffs like okra, bitter balls, and also this. We just cut this not long ago, so I'm just letting it grow back again before winter. Look at the okras that I get. This okra is from Gambia, and guys, this okra is the slimiest okra ever. I did use it to make okra soup like 3 days ago, and oh my god, guys, you won't believe it, it's the best okra I have ever made in my whole life. So yeah, I just harvested some bitter balls. This one is not ripe yet, but some of these are good to go. So yeah. Oh, what was that? Ooh. And I have some pots here, same stuff, and I'm just gonna see if I do have something to take out from the side of my house. Oh. This one we did a bit later, so it's kind of slow. Doesn't look like I have anything to take out. I mean, there's some, but they're really small, and I wouldn't want to mess with them until they get bigger. Yeah, I need to water it today because it's been a while since I watered it. But yeah, and my flowers are looking cute. Alright, guys, so this is basically all I got for today. It's not a lot because I did get some a few days ago, so I'm literally getting something every few days, like every 3 or 4 days basically. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna wash these and then I'm gonna put them in my freezer. They look so good and fresh.
Janelle, where's the remote? I put it here. Is it there?
Almost celebrity competition. John Fetterman, a high
So do I do this because I
77% of Democrats were glad that Fetterman was. Those numbers seem very large, to be a very large disadvantage for Minnesota.
Okay.
And you see some Republicans are having some reservations in the gubernatorial race about Doug Mastriano. Candidate running
I really caught you on the right because my hair is so rough. You did good. I did good. Yeah. I had someone that was trying to book me. I just told that it's not possible. Wow. Oh, it's not possible. There's no way.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at.
Check that out. Ooh, that's beautiful. I love that. Yeah.
I'll just use the light to take a video.
Do you even know what happiness is, man? Dopamine. What's up? Anything you do
Okay.
feels good.
360. Yeah, shake it. You can turn to me now. There we go. The other side. Put the other side.
Like that?
Yeah, like so. See?
It's so cute. Oh my god. Hey, look at this. Is Princess. If you guys want to do your hair, she is my friend's sister-in-law. So if you guys want to do your hair, she is based in Chicago, okay? So she got you guys. Look how cute this is. She came all the way to Ohio to do some client hair and gotta squeeze me in. This is nice.
I'm glad she loves it. Look at how pretty she looks.
I love it. I love it.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it.
I haven't done my hair for the longest
I'm glad
time.
you like it.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Don't worry about the floor. I'll clean up.
This is yours. Or is
No, it's not mine.
I probably said it. Okay, dear.
And this is your stuff too.
Oh, okay. Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
When are you coming back for my next hair? Because this
I'll
time
let you know.
butterfly.
I'll let you know.
I like your own like 12 inches.
No problem. Just let me know. I got you. Anywhere. I love it.
You're not gonna eat your. I love my hair. The parts are neat. Absolutely love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to be lit on my birthday. I'm about to be lit on my birthday. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be up. I'll wait for my husband to show him what he paid for. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna cut this video here. We'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.